Hello, this is Greg. We have a main board out of a Pioneer plasma TV. The model is PDP 5080HD. It was assembled in the USA with Japanese and USA components. The serial number is GHPMO2329OUC. The O's could be zeros. It was manufactured in August of 2007. It came out of a fully functional plasma TV. There's the back. It's in here. See it good. On the only thing I've noticed on this board that seems unusual, these two capacitors right here have they're not bulged, but they're just not, you know how this one here is a little caved in a little bit, little convex. These ones, both of these are kind of flat. They're both exactly the same, and they're kind of a different capacitor. I don't have any of these. Or they're just, the plastic is kind of springy. Anyway, I just felt the need to point it out. This will be for sale on eBay. If you're watching this video, then you probably click the link. I also have the bag of screws that came out with it, just because there are numerous screws. I figured if you lose some, you got some extra. Have a great day.